We're super excited about our latest review. We worked very hard to meet everyone's needs, and we really value hearing 5-star reviews like this one. Now, we're sharing it with you. This is exactly why we try so hard to satisfy everyone we meet. When we receive glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide a first-class experience. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're happy to help you anytime.